Right, part 2 on tangents. I had to refresh myself actually, bloody complicated. So you've got your two circles, draw a centre line between the circles, C, C. Right, now this is the tricky bit. We need to find the difference between that circle and that circle. It's not too bad with a set of dividers, but it's more difficult in CAD than you think. So basically I'm going to pick that up, hit the control, copy it over, plop it in the middle. This is just construction work, so I'm going to make it actually grey, so it's the old-fashioned way of doing things over the drawing board. Right, so I'm just going to put a radial line on, again, trim it there and there. So that effectively is the difference of that circle minus the radius of that circle minus the radius of the small circle. Right, I'm now going to move that to the centre, and then I'm going to pick up a circle tool from C and V, and that's got that circle there. It's got a very special name, but I can't bloody well remember what it is. But so what we do now is we now pick up the circle tool from the mid of the line between. Let's make that red actually. We go from the mid there. It's really just a semicircle we're interested in. I tell you who made this up. It'd be Apollonius. He was the big man on semicircles and tangents. The Greek man, genius. Right, so that point there is what we want. That's what I wanted. So you pick up a line tool, V, int. You now extend that out to the circle we want. That is our tangent point. Just going to make that grey so you can see it better. Right, now I'm going to pick that whole line up, or effectively draw a parallel across to there to transfer that point there. So now if I go intersection on there to intersection on there, that is the tangent line. Now is it right compared to what TurboCAD says? Right, let's have a look. So we pick up the TurboCAD tool, tangent, tangent, tangent. Then what I'll do is I'll mirror these two lines, flip about that centre line, and as you can see, it's absolutely cock on. So what we could do is we could now pick up these radial lines that predict the tangent points, and we could trim out the arcs like that. So that's how you do it on a drawing board, and I remember that was in a CAD exam once, and I know I got it wrong. But yeah, I'm glad I've got my book in front of me, so I sneaked a quick view of that.